In this video, we will look at converting 8-bit binary into hexadecimal. Firstly, we take our 8-bit binary number and we're going to split it into two equal parts. So in essence, we're drawing a line down in between the first 4 bits and the second 4 bits. Now the simplest way to do this would be to put the column values above each number. And then we can simply convert that into hexadecimal. So starting on the left hand side, 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 2, now we know the answer is 10, but 10 in hexadecimal is A. So the answer is 9A in hex.